Breaking news to residents of Korea, a new creature has reemerged in the Yellow Sea. The Megalodon is a large prehistoric shark that can grow up to 50 to 60 feet in length. The government of Korea has warned its citizens and fishermen not to go into the sea due to this brand new oceanic threat. Unfortunately, there have been over 500 deaths reported in Korea so far. Many parents in Korea are concerned about the new aquatic terror and what its reemergence means for the safety of their unaware children. However, government officials in Korea have implemented new security measures for the safety of their citizens. While we highly discourage this for anyone lacking the proper experience, the government of Korea has offered a cash prize of 9,500 million won to anyone who can successfully bring down a megalodon at sea.